Happy birthday to me. For me? Happy birthday to me. For me? Happy birthday. Rock. Man, look. Y'all see what I'm doing right now? It's 6:30 in the morning, and I just came from Firestone. Happy birthday. I got a flat fucking tire. Ah! It's a happy birthday. Flat tire. It's your boy Dash with Q. You feel? You don't? You will. Let's get this money. Hey yo, Q. Brian, all the time, you know me. Joe Bertos, I grabbed one. I forgot what it was. It was some bullshit. It was a $5 for like 3-4 miles. But this is a $5 for 2.2 miles. It's a Gilberto's Tacos, and he's sleeping. Oh God. Hey yo, so y'all know I'm against McDonald's. I accept the non-tipper order, come to McDonald's. I go to the damn door. The lady tell me, oh, looking at me like, our dining room is closed. I had 4 people didn't come into work. You gotta go to the
Thank you for choosing McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app today?
No. They crazy with these apartments, y'all. Look at non-tipper. Fucking Muhammad. Non-tipping Muhammad. Building. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding? Oh no. Dude. Fucking ass building. Hey, bro, why you don't tip or nothing? And we come up with all this stuff. Come on, dog, get it together. The fuck is wrong with you? Muhammad ordered. Now they give me a Starbucks of $5.50 for 3.5 miles. $5 for 3 point. Some bullshit. We just doing it, man. We just doing it at this point, laughing at all these jokers. I guess this episode is gonna show you how many jokers is out here. It's a bunch of fucking clowns. Leave it in the entryway. All right, cool. Yes. All right. Crappy water after crappy water. We got another Starbucks. Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Yep. There's the drop for that week Starbucks. Right, y'all, so I just got a Taco Bell order. It's a $6.50 for 2.3 miles. And as I was about to head that way, I got another one from Taco Bell, but it's a $2 holla. You already know who that is, a non-tipper. But it's for 0 feet away, so I'm thinking it's the same customer. It's just they put in another order. So yeah, all right, he's picking up those Taco Bell orders. Waiting the customer to come down for this Taco Bell drop. Little kids all in the way. All right, let's get on to the next one after this. All right, so far this is the best order of the morning. A 9.50 plus for 3.7 miles. It's a Starbucker. Let's get this. It ain't like it's gonna rain. It feel like it's gonna rain, but I'm gonna be at work anyway. I'm getting that other money. Oh shit, Starbucks starting to back up. Pick it up. All right, let's drop this order off. Starbucks order to the customer. Got the goods. Taco John's, $7.50 for 2 miles. $7.50 for 2 miles. Go ahead and grab this shit and go. Go, go, go. All right, y'all. I just got done with the little dash for the day. made some little money, and you know, got the car back, got my girl's car back from that flat tire this morning. So yeah, eventful day. It's my birthday. Right now I gotta go to work for a few 4 hours, going to do some OT on this Saturday. Supposed to been enjoying it, but look, sometimes y'all, this is what this whole video is about. It wasn't about just dashing, because I knew damn well I could only dash a few hours. So it was about, man, I get it today. Like, I see the sign what God sent me. He didn't tell me right away, but he showed me through what happened. My tire got a flat this morning, right? I came out and dashed, boom, I dashed, and now it's like, damn, man, I don't want to. But sometimes you got to realize, look, we got to take a step back sometimes, man. Sometimes we're going to be like, okay, this is just enough for today. It worked. It ain't going to always, you're not always going to reach that goal, man. So I just want y'all to know, man, I love grinding. It's all grind, grit, no fucking play. I love grinding, but sometimes we got to know when to be like, all right, pause for it. Thank you. Oh, these ready to be sold. These ready to go. Cash. The bus is lining up all the way down there. This is the final step where the customers come see their buses at. So we just making sure they tidy. Ready to go. $1 million a piece. Boom, boom, boom. Inspector today, inspecting. I know this off the back, they missing a seat in here, so it can't be cleared until they. That's why you got a pillow in here. Alright, happy birthday. Oh, here we go. Ah!